Draw Me a Star by CARLE. Draw me a star, and the artist drew a star. It was a good star. Draw me the sun, said the star, and the artist drew the sun. It was a warm sun. Draw me a tree, said the sun, and the artist drew a tree. It was a lovely tree. Draw me a woman and a man, and the artist drew a handsome couple. Draw us a house, said the couple, and the artist drew a house. It was a strong house. Draw me a dog, said the house, and the artist drew a dog. It was a big dog. Draw me a cat, said the dog. Draw me a bird, said the cat. Draw me a butterfly, said the bird. Draw me a flower, said the butterfly, and the artist drew red and yellow and blue and purple flowers. Draw us a cloud, said the flowers, and the artist drew clouds heavy with rain. Draw me the night, said the rainbow, and the artist drew a dark night. Draw me the moon, said the night, and the artist drew a full moon. Draw me a star, said the moon. Down, over, left, and right. Draw a star, oh so bright. It was a good star. Hold on to me, said the star to the artist. Then together they traveled across the night sky. The end.